What if 10 simple habits could make your mind 50% faster, without a single pill or gadget? Picture your brain as a high-performance engine. Most of us feed it cheap fuel and wonder why it stalls. Today we'll swap that sludge for jet fuel, and I'll let you score yourself every step of the way. The first upgrade is brain food. Imagine every bite either polishing or rusting your neural gears. Avocados keep blood rivers flowing. Blueberries act like tiny shields against aging. Broccoli delivers vitamin K for sharper circuitry. Coconut oil flips the ketone switch. Eggs pack memory-protecting choline. Leafy greens flood cells with vitamin E. Wild salmon swims in omega-3 gold. Turmeric douses the fire of inflammation. Walnuts guard neurons with antioxidants, and dark chocolate, the sweetest way to boost focus. Score yourself 0 to 10, because knowledge without a mirror rarely changes behavior. Next, automatic negative thoughts. Ants crawl through your mind every hour. Left unchecked, they chew the wires. A thought repeated becomes a neural highway, so why keep paving the road to failure? Catch an ant, question it, flip it, and watch new pathways glow orange with possibility. Rate your thought hygiene. Now move. Your brain was built to control motion, so motion returns the favor. Brisk walking sparks fresh oxygen. Dancing rewires coordination circuits. Lifting weights thickens memory muscles. Give yourself another score. Nutrient gaps. Modern soil and schedules leave holes. Magnesium fires relaxation. Zinc sharpens recall. B-complex oils communication. Plug those leaks. How complete is your spectrum? Sleep, the overnight car wash. During deep cycles, memories cement and toxins flush. Skip it and yesterday's data drips away. Guard 7 to 9 hours like a CEO protects his calendar. Grade your last week of nights. Water. A 2% dip shrinks brain volume. Picture a wrung-out sponge trying to think. Keep the aqua flowing. Tally your daily liters. Learning new skills. Novelty fertilizes neurons. Juggle, speak Spanish, play chess. Each fresh challenge sprouts dendritic branches. When did you last feel like a beginner? Social bonds. Isolation starves the mind. Conversation demands prediction, empathy, wit. A vibrant tribe is brain vitamins on legs. How rich is your weekly people diet? Gratitude. A 5-minute nightly list rewires for optimism. Positive affect widens perceptual field. More input, more ideas, more solutions. Rate your thank you habit. Add your 10 scores. Divide by 10. That percentage is your current quick brain level. 70 or below, pick one habit and nail it for 30 days. 80 plus, stack 2 more. Genius isn't born, it's engineered daily. Start tonight, because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best is right now.